Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammatical. The NEET PG 2026 edit window is now in its final phase. If you've already corrected your application or you're planning to make your final corrections before the edit window closes, then this video is for you. Because once the edit window closes, many aspirants become confused about what happens next. Can anything still be edited? What is the selective edit window? When will the test city intimation slip be released? When will the admit card come? And what should you actually focus on during the remaining days before the examination? In this video, I'll explain the complete official roadmap after the edit window, along with some practical advice that every NEET PG 2026 aspirant should know. So let's begin. First of all, once the regular edit window closes, you can no longer edit your application form. NBEMS has clearly mentioned that after the closure of the edit window, there is no provision to access the application form for making changes. Requests for changing application details after the edit window are not entertained. However, this does not mean the process is completely over. There is still one important stage remaining. After the edit window closes, NBEMS will scrutinize the uploaded photograph, signature, and thumb impression. If any deficiency is found in these images, only those candidates will receive an email and a notification in their login dashboard. Those candidates will be allowed to correct only the deficient images during the selective edit window from 31st July to 10th August 2026. Please remember, this is not another regular edit window. You cannot edit your personal details or documents during this period. Only the images identified as deficient by NBEMS can be corrected. Another mistake many candidates make is that after submitting the application, they stop checking their registered email. Please don't do that. If NBEMS finds any deficiency in your uploaded images, the information will be communicated through your registered email and your applicant login dashboard. So, keep checking your inbox regularly and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder as well. Now, let's quickly revise the important official timeline. The selective edit window will remain open from 31st July to 10th August. The test city intimation slip will be released on 11th August. The admit card will be issued on 27th August. The NEET PG 2026 examination will be conducted on 30th August, and the result is expected to be declared by 30th September 2026. Now let's talk about what you should actually do during the remaining days before the examination. Many students keep refreshing the application portal again and again, worrying whether everything is fine. If your application has been submitted successfully and NBEMS has not informed you about any deficiency, stop worrying about the application and shift your complete focus to the examination. Revise your notes properly. Follow your existing study plan. Avoid changing resources at the last moment. Maintain a healthy sleep schedule. Take mock tests according to your plan and spend enough time analyzing your mistakes. These final weeks are meant for improving your exam performance, not for creating unnecessary stress. Now let me clear a few common misconceptions. Can you change your name after the edit window closes? No. Can you change your correspondence address? No. Can you change your Aadhaar details? No. These fields are not editable during the edit window itself. And once the edit window closes, there is no provision to modify the application. Finally, one piece of advice from my side. Although the examination is still a few weeks away, this is also the right time to start preparing for counseling. Keep your important documents organized. Ensure your internship-related documents are ready whenever applicable. Have a realistic idea of your budget. Understand the difference between All India quota and state counseling. Candidates who prepare for counseling early usually make better decisions after the result and avoid unnecessary panic. I hope this video has cleared all your doubts about what happens after the NEET PG 2026 edit window. If you found this information helpful, do share this video with your friends so that no aspirant misses an important official update. And if you're new to Grammatical, subscribe to the channel because in the coming days, we'll continue bringing you authentic official updates and complete counseling guidance for NEET PG 2026. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.